I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the charging test on this MI11X device by using the MI power bank 30,000 mAh power bank. As you can clearly see friends, so it is a 30,000 mAh power bank which I'll be using in this testing, and this 30,000 mAh power bank is capable of charging with a 18 watts speed. So let's see friends how much time the MI11X phone will be taking to charge completely. So right now the battery percentage is of really low, so close to 5%. As you can clearly see friends, 5% is only, not much. So let's see friends how much time the phone will be able to take a fully charged. The reason why I am doing this video, because just before this video I uploaded a video on the IQ7 device charging using the power bank, so make sure to check that video friends. It's a really amazing results I did find in the IQ7 by using this MI power bank. It did charge very faster, so make sure to check that video. It's very interesting to see. So let's see how this MI power bank will support in this MI smartphone in terms of the charging speed rate. And in this test I'm trying to use the default cable which came along with the box, only the default cable I'm trying to use. So, and here is a small chart which is already ready here. So I'll try to record the timings for 30 minutes, 1 hour and fully charge. I'll try to even maintain the temperature records as well, so we'll get to know how much battery percentage it's actually charged for 30 minutes and 1 hour. So let's see friends, let me try to first show you the lock screen. So with what kind of charging rate it's charging. So right now it did detect the quick charge, as you can clearly see friends, clearly. Let me try to start the stopwatch. So quick charge has been detected successful. Let me try to open one of the application which is a battery charging monitor application. So here this will display the charging speed, how much the phone is detecting from the power bank. As you can see right now it's detecting really high. It's close to 3000 milliamperes. As you can see, even this will show you the time as well, how much time the phone is charging right now. So let's see friends what will happen with the results, and again I'll be back after 30 minutes in checking the battery percentage and temperatures. So let's check how much the temperature is right now. It's 36.6 degrees and my room temperature is 33 degrees, not much. As you can see 32, as you can clearly see friends. And let's even check the power bank's temperature. Power bank temperature is 33 degrees. Let's see while it's charging how much it will increase, and it is a 36 degrees from the mobile phone. So again I'll be back friends exactly after close to 30 minutes of stopwatch, so then we can decide how much the phone got actually fully charged. So that will be really interesting test. Let me try to show you the results. So right now the maximum it went up to 3463 milliamperes as well, as you can see here. And during this time I won't use the phone, I'll just keep the phone side by charging with the power bank. So let's see whether the MI phone can actually fully fast charge than the IQ7 device or not. That will be the really interesting test to see right now. Let's see friends what will happen. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to 30 minutes exactly. Let me try to quickly show the charging percentage, how much it is. And right now the charging percentage is of 43%, as you can clearly see friends. I started from the 5% of charging. So in 30 minutes the phone charged only 38% right now, as you can clearly see friends, 38% only. And during this time you can see the graph as well, how it's maintaining and increasing and decreasing. During this time of charging you can clearly see for the 30 minutes only 38%. I'm using the same cable which came with the box, not any other cable, same cable, and this is a MI power bank. I think by mistake I did press the power button, sorry friends for that, but I'm just using this MI power bank only, same power bank I'm trying to use. So let me try to write down the reading. So right now it's 43%. And let me try to check the temperature readings as well. So is the temperature reading is of 37 degrees right now. So this is the test which I'm trying to do with using the power bank only. So let me try to, again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So the battery percentage reached to 43% and temperature is of 37 degrees. So this is for the first 30 minutes of charging the MI11X device. As you can clearly see friends, even though the speeds are really high, but still the phone was unable to charge faster. That is quite disappointing. I'm not sure what it's happening here right now in the MI11X device. So let's see friends how much more time the MI11X will be taking in terms of charging using the MI power bank itself, how much more time this actually requires. So whereas the IQ7 smartphone on the other hand, it showed surprisingly shocking results while using MI power bank. But let's see what will happen with the MI11X device in terms of the charging speed using the power bank. As you can clearly see friends, we did reach close to 1 hour exactly of continuously charging the MI11X device. So let me just show you how much is the battery percentage right now reached. So right now it reached to the 80%, as you can clearly see friends, 80%. So for the first 30 minutes it reached to 43%, now it reached to 80%, as you can clearly see. And you can see the graph as well, the speed it's not decreasing at all for the 10 minutes of, still the speed is really high, as you can clearly see friends, the speed is really good. but still it's taking a little bit kind of more time to charge. So let's see how much more time the phone actually requires. And let me try to show you the charging percentage. Right now its temperature is of 38 degrees. So 38 degrees, as you can see friends, 38 degrees right now, slightly high. So let me try to write down the readings. So for the first 1 hour the phone charged to 80%. So let me try to quickly write down the readings. And the temperature increased to 38 degrees. So these are the quick readings for the first 1 hour friends. So let's see whether the phone will be able to charge by 1 hour 15 minutes or not. So let's see what will happen with this MI Line X device. So it's really interesting test to do on this MI Line X, particularly after seeing the results on the IQ7 device. So definitely friends, it's kind of really shocking for me. I'm not sure why it's taking too much time to charge in this MI 11X device. So usually it should not take that much time to charge because of the speed. So right now exactly around 30 minutes, if you remember, I did press this power button, so it got reset the value. So now exactly I did charge correctly friends. I did not even disconnect any time as well. I'm using the same cable only, not any other cable. So everything is kind of same. So using USB, but still the phone is taking kind of slightly more time, I think. So let's see what will happen for the next 15 more minutes, whether the phone will be able to fully charge with 1 hour 15 minutes or not. And meanwhile the power bank temperature is of 34 degrees. So not much high, 34 degrees as you can see. So again I'll be back once the battery getting close to 99%. So then I can show you the readings, what is happening. So right now as you can see friends, we are getting close to 1 hour and 25 minutes right now, as you can see clearly. Let me try to show you what is the battery percentage right now, how much it is. So right now the phone charged to 99%, as you can clearly see friends, 99%, as you can see. So finally I think the last 5 minutes, the 5%, sorry, it's taking so much of time in the MI Line X device. So even by using the default charger also, it takes a lot of time for the last 5 to 10% of the battery. But with the power bank it's taking too much of time friends. So overall I think from 0 to 100, if you want to charge the MI 11X device, this phone gonna take 1 hour and 30 minutes of time, close to that kind of time. So this is my review, and it's really shocking because the IQ7 phone did perform really well by using the MI power bank, but not the MI Line X device. I'm not sure what is happening, but I did try continuously testing doing the charging using only this power bank and using this application only. So I'm not sure what is happening, and same cable I'm trying to use, not any other cable. And even you did see the speeds are really high during this time. Right now still it's 99%, and clearly showing on the bottom as well, it's charging with a fast charging as well symbol. You can clearly see here friends, charging, fast charging. It's not simply charging, it's fast charging. So it should be able to charge within close to 1 hour 10 minutes of time. That is what I was expecting, 1 hour 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So let's see friends what will happen with the result of this charging speed. Even with the normal charger only, it takes close to 1 hour 10 minutes and 1 hour 50 minutes, which is a 33 watt fast charger. So with this 18 watt output, that is kind of acceptable I think in this MI Line X device, so which is 1 hour 30 minutes. So by using charger, 1 hour 5 minutes and 10 minutes. By using power bank, 1 hour 30 minutes. So this is about the conclusion I can come up to. So right now let's see, last 1% will take a lot of time to get feel. So as you can see friends, I started recording exactly 1 hour 25 minutes, and right now it's 1 hour 27 minutes. Even after 2 minutes, still the battery is around 99% only, as you can clearly see here. So even now it's not showing 100%. So I'm not sure how much more time this phone needs to show 100%. But only one thing is really concerning is, as I said, the IQ7 phone did charge really fast using the same power bank. I'm not sure, that's so weird. You can check that video friends in case if you want, if you're curious to know how much time the IQ7 took. It's really curious. And right now the final temperatures is about 35 degrees. It's kind of really low, and power bank is also 34 degrees, and room temperature 33 degrees. You can see how all the accessories are behaving. 36, and stopwatch 35 degrees. So let's see friends what will happen with the final result. So full charge right now, it's 99% even after 3 minutes continuously. So it's been in the 99% for the past 5 minutes, to be frank. So I'm not sure how much more time this phone needs to get 100%. So I'm really interested to see. As you can see friends, right now it's been 1 hour and 32 minutes, and still the battery is showing exactly 99% as it is. As you can see here friends, clearly 99%. So still it's taking some kind of charge as well. In this application you can clearly see how much time it's taking, as you can clearly see here friends. So still it's taking some kind of battery as well, even after the 99% showing the symbol. So even with the default charger as well, this is what happens friends in the MI Linux phone. So make sure to comment below if you are facing this kind of slow charging problems at the end of the charging close to 100%. So make sure to comment below. So let's see friends how much more time the phone will be taking. As you can see friends, right now it's 1 hour and 35 minutes and still the charging is showing only 99%, as you can clearly see on the top. So still it's showing, and I've connected continuously the charger, so continuously it's charging. So with, as you can see friends, 800 milliamperes it's charging, and there is no Wi-Fi running, there is no 4G running right now, and there is no SIM card itself to drain the battery in the background. So I'm not sure what is happening right now and why the phone is taking so much of time to get charged to 100%. So let's see friends what will happen, and still it's 99% only. As you can see friends, finally the phone got completely to 100% charging. You can clearly see here. So overall this much of time it has been taken in this phone to charge completely. So if you calculate the before 30 minutes and after the 1 hour and 5 minutes, so total time it took about 1 hour and 35 minutes to completely charge the MI Linux device, starting from 5%. I started with the 5% if you remember from the beginning. So this is the time friends overall the MI Linux has been taken to charge with the MI power bank, which is a 30,000 mAh power bank. So thank you friends for watching this video, and only the problem is that the last 10% took close to 30 minutes of time. So yes friends, the last 10% took most of the time. Even the last 1 minute took close to 15 minutes of time, last 1 minute. So overall this is a quick review using the power bank charging in this MI Linux device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to comment below in case if you are facing the problem with the default charger as well. And I'll definitely do the next upcoming video testing the power bank charging with the OnePlus 9R. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.